Ready?
Ready? Water.
Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's Alisami shout out goes to Purnima. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you want to check me out on social media platforms, here are all the links. Alright, welcome to this week's special Sunday video. It's a very exciting video. Firstly, I have Meghna here with me.
What's up?
I'll be putting you on.
Hey guys!
So for today's video, we basically did kind of a mystery box collab where we shopped from Amazon pantry for each other. So Meghna placed some items for me to try on camera. I have them in a box right here. It's pretty heavy. Bhai, kitna saman hai?
I think only 12 things or something. Utte you also got it.
Really heavy. Huh? And I shopped for her, so in case you want to see what I shopped for her, because I shopped some yummy stuff for her, I'm very proud of myself.
Yes.
I picked out my favorite snacks for her to try. So that video she has unboxed, like those products she has unboxed on her channel. So make sure you check that out, check out her channel. And for now, I'm going to be trying out the products, the snacks. Hopefully yummy. She's saying that she has done experiments on me or like...
Yeah. So basically what I did is, I saw a couple of things that I liked and I thought it'd be too generic, like sabko pata how a Dairy Milk tastes, for example.
Yeah,
but then I saw some things and I'm like, oh, these look interesting. Like, why not? I would like to try it out. So I was like, you know, Latika को try करवाते हैं. और एक और चीज़ है जो मुझे उतना पसंद नहीं है, but I really am very curious to see your reaction on it. So that's all.
Is there anything which I'll be happy to eat या फिर कुछ?
हाँ यार, इतनी बुरी नहीं हूँ. You will be happy with.
Okay,
there are
I'm
good
excited. ठीक है, so let's get started. I have the box. मैं एक करके बस items
I'm
निकालूंगी.
excited.
Okay, and I'll have to guess also. Are we guessing? So this is the. भाई कितना बड़ा packet है ये? This is not a chips का packet. Oh, how is this bad? This is damn good.
तो मैंने कब बोला सब बुरा है? You think that I got all bad things with you?
Oh, so this is the first thing Meghna has sent for me. It's the Haldiram ka chili chatak lachha. This is yummy. So now let me give it a taste test because बहुत टाइम से नहीं खाया.
हाँ मैंने भी बहुत टाइम से नहीं खाया तो when I saw it my mouth was watering. I was like, oh god, I need her to taste this from me.
ये तो बहुत अच्छा है. Like कभी तो खाया हुआ. This is nice.
1 on 1.
We're basically keeping a score that out of the things that we have gotten for each other, how many products do we actually like?
Yeah, exactly.
So this you have done a good job. Anything spicy, chatpata masala, I love.
Yeah.
ये तो अच्छा था. This was
Actually सब अच्छे हैं यार. बस एक चीज़ है. That's all.
हाँ. ठीक है.
Which I have a feeling you might even like for all you know.
Okay, let's pick out the next product. ये तो बढ़िया है.
क्या है ये? मुझे खुद समझ नहीं आ रहा.
So it's peri peri nachos and salsa dip.
हाँ, this I haven't tried, but it looks very nice.
Dude, this looks yummy because I love like dips नहीं आते सिर्फ जब कहीं बाहर जाते हो तो नाचो सब कोई dip वगैरह मिलते घर पे usually नहीं मिलते.
Yeah.
मतलब मैं मेघना को देख के because she was just trying out the products I chose for her and I felt so hungry. Okay, so I'm just opening the salsa dip. So अलग से package आई थी.
It looks yum.
Looks yum and it like you can tell it's spicy.
The color is crazy.
Yeah. थोड़ा excited. तूने मेरे को ऐसे डरा दिया था that it's like bad stuff. Nice.
Yeah.
So the nachos, like इनका flavor nacho है, but it's in a chip का form. Like it's patla compared to a nacho.
Or nacho.
Which is, yeah, but this flavor is like a nacho flavor.
Ah,
So it's
okay, understood. Thanks, yeah, for doing this taste test for me.
Yeah. This is damn good.
Oh, yum. See, it was a surprise. I kept your expectations this low. That is the trick.
Okay, next. Oh, is that bottle?
Oh.
You got me iced tea.
Why?
Yes. I love iced tea.
Oh, really?
Oh, मुझे Yeah. So I'm not able to find the Nescafe का iced tea का powders anywhere. I don't know if they've discontinued it or what.
Oh.
जो घर पे बनाते थे
हाँ,
powder वाला.
पता correct. But listen,
वो मेरे को कहीं मिल नहीं
just
रहा है.
without looking, check the box because there are more flavors.
Oh yeah, there are more bottles. Bro, क्या बन रहा है? Oh,
Yeah.
there's another one.
Yeah.
So this is classic lemon. This is blueberry. बस और भी है.
और है.
I hope this is the same. Is this the same bottle?
Yeah. Looks like it.
Forest berry क्या होता है?
मुझे नहीं पता. Try करना. Latika, there's more.
What? There's more?
I think
Bro,
so.
are you kidding?
I'm not kidding. एक और होना चाहिए.
So basically, Meghna just wanted to order all the flavors for me. It's just like you try and you tell me what is the best. I'll order that.
Correct. क्या बोल रहा? अरे ये सेट में आया था. Yeah, and it was pretty like inexpensive considering it came in a set and the size also seems
Set.
decent. I don't know.
No, but if this is actually good, then I'm in for it because I love iced tea.
I was wondering because
और
not
भी है?
everyone likes iced tea. Wait, 4 लिए ना?
4.
4 थे या 5 थे मुझे honestly याद नहीं आ रहा. एक बार देख ले.
Oh, we have another. मैं डब्बा खोल रही हूँ और यहाँ से बस आइस टी निकली जा रही है.
This is like serendipity. Happy छोटे छोटे.
ब्रो एक और बॉटल है ब्रो. एक और बॉटल.
Okay.
Peach iced tea. I love peach iced tea.
Yeah, peach is my favorite too.
I've been dying to. Genuinely, I've been searching for that powder everywhere. The Nestle
I
iced tea
can't
ka powder.
believe. Latika, like trust me, this was the last thing I put in my basket because I was thinking iced tea is such a tricky thing. Like I don't know if people, not everyone likes it, but I was like, ठीक है, anyways, कर ही देते हैं try.
कहाँ से mystery box शुरू हो रहा था कहाँ पहुँच गए?
Is it cold? I hope it's cold. Firstly,
It's cold. It's cold, and because I love iced tea, I'll have it for sure. But it's just not as good as the Nestle iced tea.
Ness, हाँ.
Yeah. Also on Meghna's channel, we were just discussing that how neither of us know each other's
Yeah.
like food preferences. We literally went in blind कि पसंद है नहीं है क्या.
नहीं, yeah, completely. That's why this is a pleasant surprise. I'm glad that you also like iced tea. That also so much. Like मुझे इतना भी पसंद नहीं है. You तो love it apparently.
Oh, that is good.
Oh yeah.
It's very diluted peach का flavor.
हाँ.
Like, but it's refreshing. It's nice. Oh no. Oh, you know those blue. It's blueberry.
तो blueberry क्या
But
होगा
blueberry
फिर?
तो वो था.
अभी वो पी, immediately पी. आय हाय.
Bro, ये cough syrup है.
आय हाय. Cough syrup. Oh god, that's the worst.
Remember बचपन में like strawberry वाला
Yes,
cough
yes.
syrup और that was a roller coaster. I needed like a second. So it started like ganda, then peach, and then woo, like this. But I'll give you half a point.
Okay, done.
Should I go for this cold item?
Yeah, maybe you need some
Wait.
refreshment. Don't tell me.
I recognize. No, I recognize this dabba.
मुझे खुद नहीं पता है क्या है.
Is this one of the things that I got you in a different flavor? See, I knew. I recognized the dabba by touch, bro. I recognized the dabba because ये ऐसे उन्हीं का है, ऐसे
मैं
textured
उस time
thin
in my
dabba.
video I wasn't saying anything because I wanted you to be surprised.
So in case you are lost, please check out Meghna's
Yes.
video. I have gotten her literally popcorn as well, but in a different flavor.
Yeah.
Wait, what is this? It says special edition.
That's all it says. अच्छा taste test कर ले. मुझे actually याद है अभी क्या है. I think I remember it.
नीचे लिखा हुआ है.
Hey.
Same.
Did we just get the same popcorn for each other but in different packaging?
It's maybe the areas have different packaging like
Maybe,
Bangalore
yeah.
packaging.
Just try it. खुल गया.
Yes. Okay. So I think it's the same thing that I got. Meghna.
Yeah. Dude, what are the odds?
Was yours more of chocolate and less of peanut butter?
Let me check.
It's not bad, of course. Like I still have like thoda bahota, but not a lot. Like I won't be able to binge on this.
Correct.
But
That's
thoda
exactly
strong
what
है.
I said. No.
But bro, what are the, like as you were saying, what are the odds that we, even in the Agio hall, we got a same
Oh my
sweater.
god, yeah.
But that made sense क्योंकि हमने top rated में से choose किया. But out of Amazon pantry, the entire pantry, we got each other the same thing, the same flavor.
Same flavor.
That's crazy. There's a really cold element which I can guess. But what flavor is this? Oh, coconut ice cream.
तूने खाया क्या?
नहीं, कभी नहीं.
I knew it. I had a feeling you wouldn't have tried tender coconut. Tender coconut is one of my favorite flavored ice creams. But यहाँ बैंगलोर में naturals का मिलता है. I've never tried quality
Naturals
ones.
का हाँ. Okay, this is quality ones.
है ना?
ठीक है. But naturals का I've heard that coconut is one of their most trending
It's
flavors.
freaking brilliant.
I've never tried it.
Yeah. So I was like, चलो
But I am
इसको
excited.
ये try करवा लेते, अगर अच्छा है तो मैं भी खरीद लूँगी.
I don't like this at all.
Oh.
Yeah. So it has chunks of coconut in between, like malai के chunks है बीच बीच में.
हाँ, that is there.
वो होते हैं.
होते हैं, but उसका taste also depends. Like,
I don't know if I just don't like coconut ice cream or if I don't like this one.
yeah, I think this was the wrong thing to introduce you with in terms of tender coconut ice cream.
यार ये छोटी सी बॉटल क्या है?
Oh, fish. I don't know.
Is it what I think it? Because this is the only छोटी. क्यों? मतलब ये स्नैक थोड़ी ना, ये तो प्रोबायोटिक है ना, लाइक
तो
प्रोबायोटिक.
pantry में था ना. Now listen to me. 1 second.
Nice explanation, bro. Nice.
Wait. Firstly, have you tried Yakult?
No, I haven't. People around me like doctors have told me to have it.
Correct. So I am your doctor. Please have it. It's very good for your health. But I am very curious to see how you will find the taste.
I've never had it. Like मेरे around बहुत है Yakult, like generally, but I've never like it just peanut ice cream खाई हुई है मैंने. उसके ऊपर से मैं ये दूध ये सब पी रही हूँ अजीब. What is that? Oh. So I feel like this is the crossover between lassi and flavored yogurt. दोनों के elements हैं.
Correct. Flavored yogurt and sweet lassi don't like. Do not like. Hence, this
You
Yakult
don't
is a
like.
product of those two things.
I still won't
Yes.
go for it. I don't think every day. Wait, what is this? It's such a huge rectangle box. Oh. Is this? Have you tried this?
No, I haven't.
Right. It does. It's pretty much the same. Like it looks like a chocolate.
Yeah, I think it's choco pie.
तो ऐसे try करते हैं. Let's see.
Yeah. Even I don't know how it tastes.
So it's a cake from the inside,
Ah.
and bahar there's like chocolate coated on it. No.
Oh yeah?
The chocolate, the chocolate is not Dairy Milk chocolate. It's the
Oh, I got it. I
गंदी वाली chocolate.
समझ आ गया मुझे. मैं भी वैसे
Gold
compare
coins
करती हूँ.
वाली chocolate.
Yes, I completely get you.
भाई ये बड़ा सा पैकेट क्या है? I'm very intrigued. Like it's a huge packet. Let's see. यार नहीं यार. It's the Parle Rusk. पहली बार it's such a huge packet. So the good thing is, the positive thing is that मेरे घर में मेरे को छोड़ के ये सब खाते हैं. So waste नहीं जाएगा.
Good. Then
मैं नहीं खाती हूँ.
You don't like rusk or you don't like elaichi?
I don't like the elaichi in this rusk first of all. Even
That's
rusk sometimes.
I agree. I didn't get a plain rusk and it was unavailable. वरना मैं वो लाती. मुझे तो plain वाला पसंद है.
But मतलब मैं भी सिर्फ चाय के साथ इसको टॉलरेट कर सकती हूँ डिप करके बस. वैसे नहीं.
Understood.
Okay, this is the next thing. Oh, Jim Jam.
You like Jim Jam?
Yeah, I mean बहुत time हो गया खाए हुए, but this is how I got you Milk Bikis for the nostalgic thing. And you got me Jim Jam.
Same. Literally nostalgia से कहा कि add करती हूँ कार्ट में.
So last one is Meghna's favorite like snack out of these.
Yeah.
It's the chips obviously.
I'm sure you would have had it.
इतना नाइट्रोजन मतलब भी chips का है. Oh, nice. Yes. I love. I mean, I haven't tried this though. I've never tried it.
Freak! I'm so excited then.
Because it's
It's so
potato chips which I
underrated.
love.
It's extremely underrated. Oh, yum. Chili.
But it's not peri peri. It's like proper red chili wala taste.
Yeah, it's proper red chili.
Oh,
Yeah.
they're so thin. Okay, video is done. Bye bye guys. This is good. This is good
It's
stuff.
brilliant, no?
It is. It's like magic masala but toned down and crisper. And
Yeah.
thinner.
मुझे कभी-कभी like magic masala is the shiz for me, place ka. But this, after having this, I'm like, oh, this can compete with that. Like
Yeah. My night is sorted. Peri peri nachos with salsa. Alternate between these chips.
Yeah.
And then dessert के लिए हम popcorn खाएंगे.
set. You know, I was gonna say something. I realized that both of us are more savory than sweet.
Yeah.
है ना?
I think जो भी torture बीच में मेघना ने थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर किया with the ice cream and the cough syrup iced tea. Leaving that aside, we ended on a good note. Just send me please
Yes.
more of that salsa dip, please. Thank you. Send me another one of those very nachos and dip. And
Done.
I am sorted. Both of us, our midnight scenes, post-video scenes are sorted.
Sorted.
The main thing is I think I had so much fun. Like someone shopping for food for me. Best part of the
Yeah.
video was that.
Yeah.
So,
like I've
thank-
never had this happen, no? Like someone else shopping for food for me. Like that's never happened with me
Yeah.
before.
And would be yummy snacks. Like
The best.
so I thank you Meghna for coming on my channel, and again we had so much fun filming her video on her
Yes.
channel, which will be linked somewhere here. So make sure you check that out. She's also posting every single day this month. #June Journey, which is pretty credible. So check out her channel and yes, drop any your comments. Whatever video ideas you have, what more do you want to see? Was this video fun? या फिर बस हम ऐसे बैठ के बस खाना खा रहे थे? Any other ideas, suggestions, thoughts, feedback you guys may have, please drop them also in the comments box. And I shall see you very soon with another video. Bye!
Bye guys.